Hi, I'm Kelly with JK Cruising. So we're packing for a cruise in a couple of weeks, so I thought I would give you guys a quick video of our packing essentials.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're JK Cruising.
So let's talk packing. First, I love the packing cubes. They are great for helping me squeeze everything into my suitcase. Another thing we found that is essential is the luggage tags. We picked them up on Amazon and they are just the perfect size for cruise ship luggage tags. In the room, metal hooks and metal clips are great for getting your shore excursion passes, your daily newsletter, all the paper that the crew leaves in your room. This gets that up on the wall and off of the desk, so it's more usable space. The next thing that is a must for us is an over-the-door shoe organizer. This works great in the bathroom for hanging up all your toiletries, getting them off of the shelves. Plug adapters are great to bring along. Don't forget your extra chargers. Now, I know most cruise lines have a clothesline in the shower, but we always bring an extra one. We go through a lot of swimsuits, things like that. And speaking of swimsuits, I always bring some extra gallon Ziploc bags. You know, if you still have a swimsuit that's not quite dry, when you're packing to leave the ship, just throw it in a Ziploc bag. For fun, we bring along ducks to hide and door decorations. So we also take along these fun little chair towel holders to make sure our towels don't fly off. And then we also bring some bags for some cell phone dry bags and lanyards just in case. Now, Jody brings along a dry bag for our hikes and things like that we do on excursions. I bring along a small beach bag because it just makes getting to the pool with all your stuff you need easier. We also bring along water bottles, sunscreen, bug spray. I also bring along Downy wrinkle release. It is so easy to use and it's great to freshen up your clothes after being packed in a suitcase. In addition to all these, make sure you pack your medicine, your insurance cards, motion sickness, medicine, anything like that that you might need. Now, depending on your cruise, binoculars may be a must also. We found them really handy on our Alaskan cruise. And some people pack a small fan, a night light, things like that. It just makes the room a little easier. So this time we are cruising Princess Cruises, and I noticed they don't have a lot of drawer space for clothes. They have great closet space. I love that. But Jody usually ends up putting his clothes on the shelves. So I ordered this cute little collapsible closet hanging organizer that actually comes with 2 drawers. So I'll have plenty of space for my swimsuits and other things like that. I hope this helps you guys have your best cruise. Remember to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about us. So let's go cruising.